Here's how to add friends in OneState RP. First, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the OneState RP to Google Play or Play Store, depending on which app would you like to download the OneState RP game. Once you have already downloaded it, you can now go ahead to the main game. Now what you need to do is to click on the controller icon. Go ahead and long press that and wait for a few seconds until you will see there an options where you will see there the different icons under the control panels. Now, as you can see, you can now go ahead and long press it once again until you see there the person icon. Once you have already seen the person icon that is located under the control panel, under the selected elements, go ahead and select the element which is the character options. Click on the character option so that you will be able to see there the persons or the usernames that you can add to your OneState RP game. That is how simple you add person on OneState.